resolving an SB code on an LG refrigerator. If you are seeing an SB code on your LG refrigerator's control panel, this is not an error code. It indicates that the unit's Sabbath mode has been turned on. The code may look like SB, S6, 5B, or 56 on the display. Sabbath mode is included on Wi-Fi enabled LG refrigerators for our Jewish customers to celebrate the Jewish Sabbath and holidays. Sabbath mode automatically turns off the refrigerator lights, the alarm functions, and the dispenser. The refrigerator still runs properly and keeps the food cold or frozen as always. Turning off Sabbath mode manually is very easy. Simply press and hold the freezer and Wi-Fi buttons for 3 seconds. To turn Sabbath mode on, touch the display to activate it, then press and hold the freezer and Wi-Fi buttons for 3 seconds until SB appears on the display. Note that Sabbath mode automatically turns off after 96 hours. For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the LG.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.